Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we will have introduction and a brief overview of the course. So the very first thing which we are going to learn in this course is going to be Android Basic and installing tools. So the first part of this course includes installing the tools which we will actually need to build Android applications. So there are only two things which you need for building Android applications. One is the Java JDK, and the next thing which you need for building applications is going to be the Android Studio, which is an IDE for building Android apps. So we will learn how to install and set up those tools properly. Then we will learn about layouts in Android. So there are actually three main types of layouts where we will learn how to lay out elements in your applications and in what all fashion we could lay out those elements. Then we will learn about list views, that is the typical list which you see on any Android phone where you make a selection and you are redirected to a new screen. Then we will learn about fragments, and fragments is one of the most crucial and important part of building any Android application. So we will learn fragments in depth and understand how you could build fragments. Then we will learn about SQLite database, which is an offline database, which is a local database wherein you could store local data on your phone. We will also learn how to create a navigation drawer. We will learn how to make or integrate Google Maps to your Android application. So this is specifically important when you're building applications like Uber or any location-based application for that matter. Then we will learn about services, wherein we will learn how to build a service on your own. And in the same section, we will also learn about how to create your own notifications. Then we will learn about image capture, toast, and creating the custom icons. Then we will actually go ahead and build a meme application out of the skills which we have learned till now. Then we will jump on to Firebase, which is an online database service which we will be using to make online apps. So using the Firebase skills, we will be actually building an Insta app, which is an app similar to Instagram. Then we will make a to-do list application, which is also going to be an online application. Then we will build a restaurant application wherein users will be actually able to order food from their own application. Then finally, we will make a chat room application, which is going to be a completely online application wherein you and your friends could join and chat in. So there are a few important things which you need to keep in mind before we start this course. The first point is you are able to ask for help in the Q&A section. So if you are stuck somewhere, if you have any problem, or even if you don't understand certain concept, then make sure that you post your query in the Q&A section, and I will be there to answer your query. And I promise you that your query would be answered within 5 to 10 hours of you posting your query. The next most important thing is the course would be constantly updated. I am constantly trying to make this course as better as possible, covering almost each and every important concept. So be sure of that. The course is going to be constantly updated. No worries in that. The next most important thing is that you could request for a new content. So this is one of the most special things about this course, is that if you feel that certain concepts are missing from the course, you could request for those concepts and I'll make sure that I will upload videos related to that content. The final thing is ask for personal help. Now, even if you need any personal help in Android, that is, you are having difficulties understanding certain concepts, and if you don't want to post your queries in the Q&A section, then you could directly go ahead and message me here and I will be there to help you out in solving your queries. So let's go ahead and start the course by installing the required tools.